How to hide and unhide apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all, find an app you want to hide from your home screen. Then long press the app icon to open a menu, then tap on Require Face ID. From the pop-up, select Hide and Require Face ID. Tap on Hide App from the menu which appears, as shown. The app will now be removed from your home screen. Keep sliding to the left until you arrive at the app library. Here, scroll all the way to the bottom and you will see a folder named Hidden. You can now see the hidden app in the folder. To unhide the app, go to the hidden folder in the app library. Long press the hidden apps icon and select Add to Home Screen from the given options. Confirm by tapping Unhide App in the pop-up. Now, the app will reappear on your home screen. Following these steps, you can easily hide and unhide apps on an iPhone.